Hey everyone, ever feel like you're playing a financial game of Jenga? You're stacking up your savings, investments, maybe even a side hustle, all while hoping nothing comes crashing down. And honestly, isn't that what we're all trying to avoid? That sudden, unexpected expense that throws everything off balance? We're talking about those what-ifs that keep us up at night. What if my phone gets stolen? What if my pet gets sick? What if my car is totaled? And in this modern age of digital finance, where we manage everything from our phones, it's only natural to wonder, does my favorite financial app, SoFi, have my back when these what-ifs become reality? We know SoFi for its student loan refinancing, personal loans, investing, and checking and savings accounts. But what about insurance? Does this financial powerhouse offer a safety net for those unexpected moments? Today, we're diving deep into the world of SoFi's insurance offerings, breaking down exactly what they provide, and helping you decide if it's the right fit for your financial Jenga tower. Let's start by clarifying something crucial. SoFi itself doesn't directly underwrite insurance policies in the traditional sense. Instead, they've strategically partnered with established insurance providers to offer a range of insurance products through their platform. Think of it as a financial marketplace, curated to provide you with access to various coverage options. This approach allows SoFi to offer a broader spectrum of insurance products without the complexities of directly managing them. Now, let's break down the specific types of insurance SoFi offers. First up, we have homeowners and renters insurance. Your home, whether you own or rent, is likely one of your most significant assets. SoFi, through its partners, allows you to compare quotes and secure coverage for your dwelling and personal belongings. Homeowners insurance typically covers damage to your home structure, liability if someone is injured on your property, and your personal possessions. Renters insurance, on the other hand, focuses on protecting your belongings and liability if you're renting. SoFi's platform simplifies the process of finding the right policy by allowing you to compare quotes from multiple providers, potentially saving you time and money. Next, let's talk about auto insurance. In today's world, a car is often a necessity. SoFi helps you find auto insurance coverage, allowing you to compare policies for liability, collision, comprehensive, and other optional coverages. Again, the platform's emphasis on comparison shopping is a significant benefit, enabling you to find the best rates for your specific needs. They can help you sift through the complexities of deductibles, coverage limits, and policy terms. Moving on, we have pet insurance. For many, pets are family members, and their health is a top priority. SoFi offers pet insurance to help cover unexpected veterinary expenses like surgeries, illnesses, and accidents. This coverage can be a lifesaver when faced with costly vet bills. They understand that pet care can be expensive, and they aim to help you manage those costs. Then there's life insurance. This is a crucial aspect of financial planning, especially if you have dependents. SoFi offers access to term life insurance, which provides coverage for a specific period, and whole life insurance, which offers lifelong coverage. Life insurance provides a financial safety net for your loved ones in the event of your passing. SoFi's platform simplifies the process of understanding the different types of life insurance and finding a policy that suits your needs. And lastly, we have mobile phone insurance. In our digital age, our phones are essential. SoFi offers mobile phone insurance to protect against damage, loss, or theft. This coverage can be a relief, especially considering how expensive smartphones can be. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Why go through SoFi for insurance instead of directly to an insurance provider? The key advantage lies in SoFi's comparison shopping tool. They streamline the process of comparing quotes from multiple providers, saving you the hassle of contacting each company individually. This can potentially lead to significant savings. Another benefit is the integration with your existing SoFi account. If you're already a SoFi member, you can manage your insurance alongside your other financial products, simplifying your overall financial management. This centralized approach can make it easier to stay on top of your finances. Furthermore, SoFi often offers member discounts or perks on insurance products. These benefits can add value and make the insurance offerings even more appealing. However, it's essential to acknowledge the limitations. Since SoFi acts as a marketplace, the actual insurance policies are provided by partner companies. This means that customer service and claims handling will be through the respective insurance provider. While SoFi aims to partner with reputable companies, it's always crucial to research the specific provider you choose. Another potential drawback is that the availability of certain insurance products may vary depending on your location. Not all insurance types or providers may be accessible in every state. So, who is SoFi Insurance best for? If you're already a SoFi member and value the convenience of managing your finances in one place, it's definitely worth exploring. If you appreciate the ability to compare quotes from multiple providers and potentially save money, SoFi's platform can be beneficial. It's also ideal for those who prefer a streamlined, digital approach to financial management. However, if you prefer a more hands-on approach and want to deal directly with an insurance provider, or if you have very specific insurance needs that aren't readily available through SoFi's partners, you might want to explore other options. Before making any decisions, it's crucial to do your research. Compare quotes from multiple sources, read reviews of the insurance providers, and carefully consider your individual needs and circumstances. Don't just jump at the first offer. Take your time, understand the policy, and make an informed choice. Remember, insurance is about protecting your financial future. It's about having that safety net in place when the unexpected happens. It's about building a robust financial Jenga tower, one that's resilient to the bumps and shakes of life. SoFi's insurance offerings can be a valuable tool in that process, but it's crucial to use them wisely. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use SoFi for insurance depends on your individual needs and preferences. Consider your financial situation, your risk tolerance, and the types of coverage you require. Leverage the comparison tools they offer, and always make sure you thoroughly understand the terms and conditions of any policy you purchase. In the end, it's about empowering yourself with knowledge. It's about understanding your options. And it's about building a financial foundation that can weather any storm. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.